Hello. This is cute and this is Daddy.
Hello.
So, we're at the cafe. Motions. This is my last day. Even I don't like motions. It's a horrible one. And I hate. Let's have to pronounce your words.
You have to what?
Pronounce.
You have to pronounce your words. So let me try it.
No.
Turn it off.
No.
Say good afternoon. This is Lexi Rose Tomlin. We're in Morrison's at the moment with my companion Kieran.
I hate it.
What do you hate?
Motions.
Don't say that in Morrison's. There'd be a disaster. You have the people coming out chasing us.
Hello. I hate motions.
What? Turn it off quick.
I don't.
Morrison's man's coming over.
Wow.